When I just started my career as a videographer, I was just a random guy, from the street. I had my camera, I have some skills, but that's it. I wasn't friendly enough to communicate with people. I wasn't following for another people, and my network skills was like zero. Fortunately, it doesn't work if you want to grow as a professional and meet, more people and get more clients and some money. So now every time when I just go on the set and I meet some people who do like makeup, who do like photography or like different stuff, every time I just trying to get their Instagram or like Facebook or whatever social media they use. And for example, I know a girl, she's from like New York City, and I just tried to communicate her, but she just didn't answer to me. So I just sent her a message on Instagram, but she didn't see that, and I sent another message on email, but she didn't respond me yet, and I'm sent another message just one more time from a different email, and finally she got my message. And this is how I got my first $400 working with this lady.